So I've identified the 7 layers, which are the API layer, that actual HTTP boundary. In this case, it's Fast API. The application layer. So this is our use case orchestration, like our chat. In the backend, when we get a chat request, what are the actions that need to happen? The domain layer. So these are like our domain capabilities, domain service to maybe access something about a school. Our adapter layer, which is interesting because this is where we can actually bind some of our generic capabilities to our specific application context. Our application context here is chatting about schools. We have claimed that there are domain capabilities like our RAG capability that is agnostic to any application context. It's just a generic way to retrieve and augment and generate. But somewhere we need to make it real. We need to instantiate that. And so that's where our adapter layer is going to be for. Our repository layer is data access, our integration layer. So you could make the choice to model your integration layer inside your infrastructure layer at times. Like you'll see in the implementation, there's some LLM provider logic, like accessing Claude, and there's a specific protocol in a way that we say, hey, here's how we're going to interact with, or here's our interface for interacting with LLM providers. That could be considered common for sure. I chose to model it separately to just call out this LM integration capability specifically, but I think that could also make sense to just say, hey, this is common behavior, part of our common library. Wouldn't get any complaints from me.